Hey guys, my name's Khloe.
My name's Faith.
And
we're going to be showing you our new kittens. Okay, so this cat just had babies.
Yeah.
And this is the mommy. So this one's the daddy.
This one's name is Mr. Pickles.
This one's name is Fluffy.
And they just had kittens together. And we're going to go show you.
So here are all the kittens in here.
Be easy.
Can you get me my favorite one? This one?
Okay, here is my favorite one.
Which one?
They are not old enough to like open their eyes.
Yeah.
And like so they can't hear because their ears are down and they cannot see.
So their ear canals aren't open yet, and they are blind.
Yes.
How long will they be blind and deaf?
I think for
7 to 14 days it could
7 to
take
14 days.
for them to get their sight.
Yeah.
They do actually have umbilical cords.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
Can I see them?
Yeah.
The umbilical cords? Oh, yep, they're still attached. And they said it could take 4 to 5 days for them to lose the umbilical cords. All right, could you guys sit down so I can see Corbin too? Corbin, can I see your baby?
There's actually one more in there.
Yeah.
She had 4 kittens. And we use this heat lamp to keep them warm.
Yes, because they cannot control their body temperature.
The one in sometimes
They said it'll take 2 to 4 weeks to control their body temperature.
the big cats take turns. Like one of them are in here with the kittens, and then the other one's out there, like going to go get some food or something.
This one's whining.
So is this one.
Let me get it.
And if they were bottle fed, we would have to feed them every 2 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
How do these babies eat?
From the mommy's mouth. The mommy.
This is Fluffy.
So
Your baby's okay. Oh, look.
Oh, she's taking her.
Yep, she's going to grab her.
That's how they take it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. And then whenever
We can't.
I don't think we should hold them for too long, guys, because I don't think she wants us touching on them.
She's looking.
She feeds them, and if we touch them too much, she may not want to feed them anymore, and we will have to bottle feed them.
I love them so much, and I especially love this one.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah, but I named this one Midnight,
You want it?
and I don't think we're gonna keep them.
She wants it, Corbin.
Yeah, I brought her over here.
She's trying to find a way.
Okay, let's go ahead and put them back in there for now. She's wanting her babies back in the bed.
Okay.
Corbin, will you put yours first? Oh, she's got it. I don't want to drop in them.
She gets a good grip when she lays them down. So.
All right, guys. Girls, put them back.
Here, I can put it back. And then here's a good look of it.
Let me see its little face before she comes.
Closer. I feel like I love them.
Here, do you want me to put it in?
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry guys that we had to put up the kittens, but they're only 5 days old and we have to respect the mom.
Yeah. Well, I hope you give us a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Bye, guys. See you guys next time.
Bye.